Okay, so we have a few more terms to define regarding experiments, and then we're going to start looking at how to outline these experiments. So our next term is the word subjects. So the individuals studying an experiment are often called the subjects, especially when they are people. If you have non-human participants, we often refer to those as experimental units. So those can be animals, days, petri dishes of bacteria, anything like that that is non-human can be called an experimental unit. The levels of the factor are the specific values that the experimenter chooses for a factor. So if we go back to the stretching one, our factor is the stretching, and the levels are going to be their 3 levels that I've been talking about. So either no stretching, 5 minutes of stretching per day, or 20 minutes of stretching per day. So those would be our 3 levels, and the factor is kind of the category name, which is stretching. Right? Then a treatment is any specific experimental condition applied to the subjects. So we're going to start out with one factor experiment. That's what we're going to diagram next. But a treatment can also be a combination. So if you have multiple factors, then it's every possible combination of the levels would compose a treatment. And we are going to look at some of those too. All right, and so I will see you back here to do our first outline.